Hi, this is Grant with BirdX, and today I'll be showing you the Balcony Guard Ultrasonic Bird Repeller. You can see the device here in its gray weather-resistant casing, and some of the external parts are going to include the motion sensor, which is right here, the external speaker port down here where the ultrasonic sounds are emitted, and then on the back of the device, you will see there is a rubber backing with keyholes to allow for easy mounting. Let's now discuss some of the internal controls. First, we'll discuss the frequency dial on the top left here. This is an adjustable frequency of 15 to 25 kilohertz. 15 kilohertz is the low end, 25 kilohertz is the high end. And to increase the frequency from low to high, you will rotate this counterclockwise. And to decrease, you'll rotate it clockwise. Next, let's discuss the motion sensor range dial, which is going to be right here. Again, ranging from low to high. You turn it counterclockwise for low and clockwise to turn it higher. Next, we'll discuss the on-off switch, which is right up here. Right now it's set to off all the way right. Now, if we were to switch the device to the MSAC or battery setting, and I move my hand in front of the motion sensor, you will see the red light turns on because it picked up the motion, and it will operate. If you were to switch it to the middle setting here, the continuous AC setting, this would operate the device continuously. And this is only an option when the direct cord is plugged into the device. The next option is the MSAC or battery setting. So if you were to use C batteries on this device, you would have to set it to the battery setting, which would operate when the motion sensor is tripped. Or if you have it plugged in, again, it will operate when the motion sensor is tripped, and that is this third setting to the left here. Now let's discuss a few best practices with the Balcony Guard. First, positioning. You want to place the speaker as close to the problem area as you possibly can. You want to point the speaker in the direction of the problem area. You want to make sure there's no physical obstructions that will diminish the effectiveness of the device. Lastly, you want to avoid tilting the speaker up, as this will allow water to enter the speaker port and potentially cause some damage. Lastly, multiple devices may be required depending on your particular problem. Every pest and bird problem is different, and the more ultrasonic devices in a given area, the more effective results you're going to see. If you have any additional questions, please give us a call here at BirdX. We're happy to help. Thank you for your time.